Akusebenzi umuntu munye ke la kulo mzabalazo lesikhona njengoba niva Comet Monty wathi sukela ngelithikithi lakhe eAmerica. He had to fly to UK, asuka UK ayoshona eSouth Africa. These are the leaders who walk the talk. It's not like they have lots of money, but they are ready to spend anything as long as they will be contributing to umzabalazo wemaswati. Ngithi angibonge and emphasize amagama la cetha kwasho. We will never win this battle until and unless we learn to complement and support each other. Swalimo stands for that. I stand for that as a person. And lebe baqabanga ukuthi it's about us, sifuna ukudiveda. It's never about that. Kungako konke lesikwendako si invite wonke longaba mcondo umuntu. Bengisang emphasize kuloko ma guest saphelile. Ngiva ungathi ngishiye info yinye mangisalile lemaswati. Ema-ranger acethe emaswati ngesibhamu ku-2024. Asini maswati sibone kwenyuka lokukhulu kwekudutshulwa kwemaswati acethwa ngema-ranger. Umthetho wema-ranger siyawazi ukuthi uthini. Akwendeki ke lokho siwafundisile ke maswati ukuthi lokwenda lama-ranger adubule akudubule uphethe umzaqa. Akudubulele ukukubulala angakushayela unyawo ke. Kudubulele ukuba uphethe umzaqa. Akusola ukuthi you are a suspect. Sithi thina sicela ukuthi bakubophe bona bakubulale. Kusede lotholakala ukuthi abephethe isibhamu kulaba laba badubulile. So bahlaba nje. We then explained emaswatini ukuthi le Game Act lo mthetho wedinyamatane strategically jubela wala ukuthi ube ku line ministry. Yonke imithetho yetempilo aka-education yetisebenzi ikhungelwa ku line ministry. Umthetho wetisebenzi uka labor waka-education umthetho ka-education we i-Game Act beyimele ibe ka-tourism wathi jubela ngeke kulunge ucela ibe se-King's Office so that kube lukhuni ukuchallenge laba labadubule emaswati ngoba kuze uchallenge ushala e-King's Office so that they will always win ngoba bona ba-representwa le office lamswati. So bebentela ukuthi bahlabe sinoma kanjani bamchazela namswati ukuthi bendela lokho. So nema MPs labe akhona mawushaya lo mthetho ngabuteka nenda njani ukuthi nithathe umthetho ngoba umthetho wonke ku line minister uyapha eKing's Office lo bathi hey hlonishwa kawuzela akwavele kwabangileso nje kwabonakala ukuthi bojubela bafuna kuba phambili bafuna ukuthi mawuthatha bona babe sedidwabeni tamswati. Yonke ke inkantolo mayiyogubha umuntu osedidwabeni vele sasikuyekela kungako kusete loboshiwe. Ngalo ukuthi strategically namswati watshelwa ukuthi dakhe letinyamatana wavela wayi-influence iParliament ukuthi ukahle ube se-King's Office wona wodwa awukho ku line ministry ngoba ufakatilwana kwathi wadakhe personal imfuyo yakhe naye wakujabulela kungako badubula emaswati kodwa nje uva ukuthi dayikazana makacetha umbila wale takhamiti dicompensatewa ngibani takhamiti kude kodwa la uyawuva khona kungabonakala sakhamiti ungathi sibe dayikazana hayi ukuthi kufuna ukuthi sithathwe siyotekiswa liqala kufuna sithathe sibulawe there and there. Sibekusile sathi lababulele inkomo leti lobola abafati kusengelwe bantwana dimixe bantwana esikolweni baya enkantolo tinkomo temaswati temaswati kodwa lobulele dayikazana akafika enkantolo ucedwa endleleni ngenhlaba live lelo. What kind of a country is that? And law muntu protected by the law. Laba labathi akasi protected bangaki labavele phambi kwenkantolo ukuthi babulele abantu budedengu kude because strategically this Game Act yabekwa lapha edidwabeni tamswati kuze ucilathwe lamaswati ngoba kude uhulumende eSwatini loqabangela emaswati kuna uhulumende loqabangela umndeni. Malunga eSwalimo understandani nje lokuthi kunebantu nje laba sponsored ukuthi bakhulume lokungasilo liciniso. Bayanenyanya. It's not like Swalimo is important. It's not like Swalimo is good. It's not all of that. But it's because kunebantu labayenyanyako lenhlangano. Donke ke tindzaba ingathi nje Swalimo ikhohlele yabheka le sebabhalile. In most cases labantu abakhuluma babhale lokho abathi makunemicimbi kwemaswati kamhlushwa abathi. They don't even talk. They are not aware. Khathi uphumelele umcimbi abathi abakabhali nangakho. Akukhwehlele Ramza ukhwehlele. Akube nemlo khwehlele kaSwalimo bani wakaSwalimo ukhwehlelile. Kungabe kubulewe bheka abathi nothi bheka ubulewe ungcwatshiwe ababhala lokubhala athi bheka ungcwatshiwe kodwa akube umuntu okhwehlelako nje kaSwalini indzaba lenkulu ukhwehleliswe emaswati sengifuna ukuchazelwa konke ngalolu hlobo lwalabantu ukuthi bahlobo luni ngiyanibekisela nje emaswati so everything is under control observe tawukhipha laba lababhizi ngalokho is the main enemy outside and the other enemy inside they collaborate it's just two groups bonke laba lesisebenta kanye lesibasekelako bo sive sincaba ngeke nje uve sive sincaba silwa neswalimo neswalimo uyive ilwa nesive sincaba UED the great Swadepa EFF Swaziland you name it ngeke uve lutho bakhona kodwa labanye abahlala bagadza ukuthi ukhwehlelo wabheka ubuswalimo imisebenzi lemikhulu njengekufa kwemuntu akupotwa lutho ngakho understand this naso sithombe ras lengunikete sona sendvodza yasikhanyiso babe wagwapha bengicela ukuthi ungibekele sona ke la ya ngiyabonga lalelani ngemaswati kuna nalijana lelibambene nasikhanyiso ngoba lokhu ngikubekela ukuthi laba labacabanga ukuthi basekele iregime they need to get a lesson kuna kule ngifuna ukukhuluma ngakho kufuna bathole isifundo kunalo jaloya lobambene nasikhanyiso sikholwa thina ukuthi lo jaloya ngubabe wagwapha ngoba sikholwa ukuthi nguye lo wakhuleliswa esikhanyiso lo jalo igama lalo jaloya ngukhaya sibongo sakhe wakadlamini wathatha sikhanyiso Dlamini that is not the topic today ngicela ke ukuthi ithi jaloya abelisoja eSwatini ngesikhathi seunrest ngilomunye labe reporter ukuthi eMaswati uwabulele kangakanani jaloya alekelela ababedala wakhe alekelela nemndeni wakubo by kudubula eMaswati lafuna lushintsho kumnanzi ke ba trigger happy khaya lo wakadlamini kwahamba soloku bajabulisana ukuhle then kwase kuba nengcinamba leyenteka phakathi kwasikhanyiso nalo khaya lo lenimbonako ngekumati isikhanyiso futhi ngekumati babedala wakhe kuthi uyabona lo senginyathelela ngiyabati ngoba bengibalekelela idolo sengifile ligama lami he has been the one doing the thing of killing amaswati and now nyalo so unyathele somewhere he knows them uyamathi isikhanyiso babwakhe babedala wakhe lo ngumswati kuthi wo hayi sayibhemile walungisa wabutha emakululu akhe wanyenya wabaleka namhla ngihleti ngithola sithombe sakhe ngalaloku sifaka la ngishuthelwa ngemaswati lapha eIreland eIreland ngilenye lamave lelibambisa ema-refugees bani lababaleka ke emhlabeni labacela iasylum labacela ukukhoselisa bathi kimi president ngibani lo ngithi ngathi singani sasikhanyiso bathe ipresident leli jalide kutokucela ukukhosela lishile emasotsheni enimali ikhuluma story salo nanyala lethembi bangahle balilandzele balibulale selitokucela ke kukhosela la eIreland unalamaswati labalekile ngoba eIreland kucwele amaswati labalekile naye ulapha ufolile ngithini khaya ngoba nawe uyabukela wakumnanzi unyathele emaswati afuna ukukhulula wena abengafuna emaswati ukuthi wena ungabe liswati njengoba ulisoja cha nemanga lawo wababambisa wabulala emaswati yakujikela lento ubalekile nyalo wengci Africa wayoshona eEurope ubhacele umfati wakho nababu wakhe ngoba uyabathi what they are capable of doing kungako ke ngithi maswati nani masoja lenibhizi nithi labafuna lunjinjo balwa nesive semaswati nani maphoyisa Loku lokuthole lo khaya wakaDlamini utangithola.